Guys, how you all doing? Good morning. How are you? It's been long I vlog, like it's really been long I vlog. Something happened and it have really wakened my spirit. Something happened to my channel. If you're watching and you notice, do well to comment and tell me in the comment section. Something happened to my channel, and if you notice anything in this video, please do well to comment in the comment section. So that is why I've not been up to date here. I've not been able to post every day or in a week. At least I post twice or once, but now I don't. But it's fine. I'm not going to give up on what I enjoy doing. So today I'm going to a friend's house. His birthday is today and he's not actually going out. He felt like I should just go there. Most time I just go there to cook him. So I'm going there today, so we're going together. So stick right into this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruising.
Apa dia pak? Nah, remember. I like that hard. What's so me dog to use, you know? But I want not to know. I want not to know. No.
Open up for Dan. Open up. Which one? No, open up. Old man. Why go back now? More.
Okay, man. Well, the
Yeah, to do old man.
you know, it doesn't make the bomb motor. Keke do the 12 now. Je sais pas pour vous le mais en tout cas. You know something where you go find. You know say they inside they cook for kitchen.
You're not supposed to forget.
Like I'm not supposed to forget. Now they talk now.
Oh man.
So as I try to like remember my code them and my So guys, I just arrived. We planned cooking, but I don't know if we're still going to cook. But definitely we're going to cook. Still do other things now. Must it be the only one? This one they hide from my video. They actually hide it, but don't worry. You guys will keep seeing him in this video unknowingly to him. You guys will keep he's somewhere here. It's his birthday. So tell him happy birthday. Wish him a happy birthday. Ready for wow. What do you do for salmon? Ma cook noodles chop. Then I let ma cook spag. Then let do it for some mukirimogo. I don't even. This is the way they look on that girl so. So we're going to the market. We're ready to go to the market. Mark yourself away. Who they go?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okura for ready sabasa. Ogusun ba?
This is for steers. Depends on how the quantity you want. This one.
Hey.
Oh yeah, not so good. Ayo je boyong ni bogi. Kita kena anak ini bogi. Tera.
Saya ina go see kota mi.
They go cotton.
You ina go see kota mi. You go see.
No, ma cotton.
No, it's sure.
Alexander Bruno. Why they might be my call? Why they might be my call? My parents call the world.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Never let, she's so bad, can't hit the bag.
inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Oh, God, yeah, well, put on. Don't put it on. You go say everything. You can't let you go see. I like it. Jesus, why can't they complain on the road? Okay, no. Why no sleep hot? Serious? Go. I love you. I have a pity of bed. I am pitying your bed. Not a letter. Why?
I've got an itch I can't scratch, missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound so I see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase the bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I gotta taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
I did ask you a question in the high. You could talk to the camera and talk.
Talk to which camera? I'm not leaving you. Make you a camera leave you.
Really? How do you feel? How do you see yourself in the next 5
So that question that they asked,
they asked you that question, I would be dumbfounded.
the way this country they go like this.
You don't even know what will happen.
Your mind go touch you can. You're doing man. Charlie, the country go better.
It goes better.
I know they say.
But I don't see reason why I do this country because it's not safe. You know, if you wake up like, you know, if you go somewhere, then you close around 11, you know, with fear. So the person will go in your phone. You fear for your phone. You know, say other countries don't do like that. So you know I'm going that same city. Ah, David I'm like, yeah, keep going. Now let's see the other. I don't know, I'm not sure the correct thing.
What does it mean to family?
No, now I want my feel. That's so big.
You
That one you need like.
show that to your family. Family!
Get one game, and the part one game, and do that thing.
They don't do what the black boy before.
My mommy.
Yes, hey, I've shared that with the investor before.
My mommy.
I don't think I'm going to
Dash me this one.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. Inside it could build and build.
That's the like, okay, just take it.
It's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough. I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares
If I told you the choice,
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear. Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks.
You finally feel like giving up, oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills with a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up until and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Good enough, nothing's really clear. Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Taylor Gang, man. Shout out to Wiz Khalifa, Snoop Dogg,
Damn, mentor.
the big OGs out there. Shout out to them, Bob Marley, all them, Pablo Escobar. Shout out to them. Shout out to myself. Bomb lads. The shy gangster.
What?
What for you if you're coming Just for the camera, just yeah. What is all this?
Because I don't smoke.
Don't smoke.
Hello.
So only me you know yourself, eh? Now I'm catch up by me, Nana. I give you awareness, Now when you come to disturb me now, then you get a problem.
Name Congo.
No that, no this and no peace. So if you can't disturb me as you don't smoke this thing, you will get problem.
This is not light too.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade.
Just enter house. Now the church. Family there. Wow. How are you? Murla ko na ayo to church. Dera ben wana ko de dine bro. Na church na I thought they are caring. That is what Jesus was doing.
Alpha, Odumede Senior. Thank you. I never get phone, my phone don't off. Huh? Yeah, then. You don't want to do.
Railway station. So look at who just arrived. I'm already at 32.
Hello, Nikwege.
Garindo.
Why do you give quick Gargadro? Eh? So no. Stop!
Now I think I'll put in one. Ben, who will not see a car with books. This is a life story.
Life story.
Yeah, well, I have a story. Life story. You can't get it somewhere. So, what I don't do.
I think you can. What is this? For what hand? I don't know what you want.
That's you really get it.
You know what's your hand?
Now I always leave religion out of it. After this,
But I'm not okay with religion.
now I want to address me. I want to tell you something.
I see no reason why. I see no reason why you call yourself a Christian and you won't care or love.
Who told you that they don't care? I never know broke here. Mind your business. Also, not that like not be back. Not be can
I'm man now.
But if you think I'm saying it.
Speak English, please, my subscribers. Hey Khalifa, happy birthday to you. I know how life has been, but I want you to remember that life isn't a race, it is a journey. You being +1 today is also a milestone, but it's just one of the many steps on your path. It is easy to look at what you haven't achieved yet, but let's not forget that success is not just about ticking boxes. It is about growth, learning, and becoming the person you're meant to be. Every challenge you've faced, every lesson you've learned, those are achievements too. Remember, some of the most successful people didn't find their footing until later in life. What matters is that you keep moving forward, even if the steps feel small. Life is full of twists and turns, and sometimes the most significant progress happens when we least expect it. Take a moment to be proud of how far you've come. Even if it doesn't feel much right now, you've got so much potential and the best is yet to come. Wishing you a year of growth, discovery, and happiness. You've got this, Khalifa. Happy birthday once again. Like, subscribe, and tell me what you think of this vlog. And I'm going to see you in another video. Bye bye.